Ever wondered how farmers raise water buffaloes and turn their milk into delicious cheese? In this fascinating farming documentary, we take you behind the scenes of a traditional and sustainable farming practice that has been passed down for generations. From the care and feeding of water buffaloes to the art of cheese making, you'll discover the secrets behind this ancient craft. Join us on a journey to learn about the hard work, dedication, and incredible skill it takes to produce some of the finest cheese made from water buffalo milk.
The care of young water buffalo calves stands as a cornerstone of their healthy development. These delicate beings thrive on nutrient-rich milk and supplements that fuel their growth. Each feeding moment is an investment in their potential, shaping not just their size, but their very future. As these calves transition to a more varied diet, incorporating grains and fresh grass, they embark on a journey towards digestive health and nutrient absorption. This critical stage not only supports their physical well-being, but also enhances their adaptability as they grow. Moreover, social integration among buffalo calves within the herd plays an essential role in fostering bonds and mutual support. This camaraderie strengthens their living environment, creating a vibrant community where harmonious interactions flourish. To maintain their health and happiness, buffaloes undergo a soothing routine of being bathed daily or every other day. This practice not only ensures cleanliness but also promotes relaxation, reflecting a significant investment in their overall well-being. The milking process for buffaloes mirrors that of cows, upheld by strict hygiene standards throughout. This commitment to cleanliness guarantees the quality of the milk while ensuring the comfort of these magnificent animals. Buffalo milk holds a revered place in culinary circles, celebrated for its richness and high fat content, which makes it an ideal candidate for cheese production, particularly mozzarella. This exquisite cheese finds its way into many cuisines around the globe, bringing joy to meals everywhere. The art of brining mozzarella enhances its flavor while also extending its shelf life. Through meticulous calibration of brine concentration and soaking duration, producers ensure that each batch meets the highest quality standards, a testament to their dedication. With its creamy and slightly salty flavor, mozzarella is a versatile ingredient that adds character to a wide array of dishes. Think pizza, salads, and baked goods. Its stretchy texture invites creativity in the kitchen, making every meal a celebration. Beyond dairy, water buffalo farming also plays a crucial role in the meat industry, yielding nutritious buffalo meat renowned for its lower fat content and unique flavor profile. This meat is highly sought after, adding diversity to culinary traditions around the world. This video highlights the often overlooked significance of the water buffalo in agriculture, and it paints a compelling picture of the potential benefits that come from integrating waste management into farming strategies. Buffalo dung emerges as a valuable byproduct, serving as organic fertilizer that enriches soil fertility and bolsters sustainable agricultural practices. This utilization is not merely beneficial, it is crucial for the advancement of modern farming. Innovative applications of buffalo dung extend even further, including its role in biogas production. This generates electricity and reduces reliance on fossil fuels, contributing significantly to environmental sustainability, a powerful step toward a greener future. Creating a balanced environment that combines outdoor grazing with barn housing nurtures the health and immune system of these animals. This thoughtful setup protects them from the harsh elements and ensures a higher quality of life. The diet of dairy cows plays a pivotal role in determining milk quality and yield. Providing high-quality grasses and corn not only fuels their productivity but creates a nutrient-rich feed that is essential for maximizing output. In the realm of modern farming, automated machinery has revolutionized feed production and distribution. This technological advancement ensures that cows receive a consistent and high-quality diet, laying the groundwork for top-tier milk standards. Smart milking systems bring precision to the process, detecting the optimal amount of milk while preventing over-milking. This innovation prioritizes the welfare of the cows, fostering an environment where productivity thrives. After milking, the environment is meticulously cleaned, promoting sanitary conditions that prioritize the health of the cows. This emphasis on cleanliness is vital in maintaining the highest standards for milk quality, a commitment that reflects the importance of their care. Once collected, the milk undergoes stringent quality checks at processing facilities. These checks ensure food safety through thorough microbial content analysis and pasteurization, effectively eliminating harmful bacteria and safeguarding the health of consumers. The importance of expressing gratitude in both personal and professional relationships cannot be overstated. It serves as a powerful catalyst for building trust and fostering a supportive environment. By embracing gratitude, we pave the way for better collaboration among team members, allowing ideas to flourish and relationships to strengthen. As we weave gratitude into our daily routines, we begin to notice a profound transformation in our perspectives. This simple yet impactful practice cultivates a culture of appreciation, leading to interactions that are not just meaningful, but deeply fulfilling across various contexts. Each moment of thanks adds a layer of richness to our connections. Furthermore, the act of regularly expressing thanks can work wonders for our mental well-being. By acknowledging the efforts of those around us, we not only uplift their spirits but also boost our own mood. This creates an inherent sense of belonging within our communities, drawing us closer to one another in shared appreciation. Delving into the significance of gratitude reveals its incredible potential to enhance relationships among individuals. Through acknowledgement, we establish a crucial bridge in communication, one that fosters understanding and connection. When we recognize and value each other, we elevate the quality of our interactions, making them more impactful. Let us explore various scenarios where gratitude finds its place, spanning both personal and professional environments. This versatility illustrates the universal nature of appreciation, reminding us that no matter the setting, expressing thanks can profoundly transform the atmosphere. Every act of gratitude contributes to a more harmonious coexistence. Finally, we uncover the remarkable impact of gratitude on our mental well-being. Studies suggest that those who regularly express thanks experience heightened happiness and life satisfaction. In essence, gratitude is not just a form of politeness, it is a potent force that enriches our lives, illuminating our paths toward fulfillment and joy. Water buffaloes embody intelligence and emotion, thriving in herds where they forge strong social bonds. These remarkable creatures protect and support one another through life's challenges, demonstrating an inspiring sense of unity. Their sensitivity extends to human emotions and gestures, allowing water buffaloes to become invaluable companions for farmers. This connection fosters a gentle relationship, where handling can be kind and understanding, removing the need for harsh commands. Equally important, a clean and comfortable environment acts as the foundation for the growth and development of buffaloes. Proper barn conditions not only enhance their well-being, but also contribute significantly to their productivity on the farm. Moreover, water buffaloes delight in having a designated resting zone where they can unwind, bathe, and savor soothing massages. This unique approach to care promotes their health and alleviates stress, ultimately enhancing their overall well-being. Their diet, primarily consisting of natural grass and fermented corn, is both beneficial and cost-effective for farmers. By relying on such abundant resources, water buffaloes not only flourish but also contribute to sustainable farming. Buffalo meat stands out not just for its rich flavor, but also for its health benefits. With lower fat content and higher omega-3 levels than beef, this meat supports heart health and enhances overall fitness. The process of collecting high-quality buffalo milk begins early each morning, ensuring the optimal composition necessary for exceptional cheese production. Such meticulous attention to detail lays a solid foundation for the cheese's exquisite flavor. Next, pasteurization plays a vital role in this journey, eliminating harmful bacteria while preserving the essential nutrients. With the addition of probiotics, the process promotes the creation of a smooth curd, ensuring the cheese remains fresh and delightful. Following this, the curds are expertly cut and pressed to remove whey, a crucial step for achieving the desired texture and density. This careful handling significantly impacts the cheese's overall appeal and flavor. The standards for quality and flavor in cheese production are rigorous, reflecting a commitment to consumer satisfaction and safety. Each unique cheese tells a story, resonating with the rich heritage of buffalo milk. Beyond their contributions to cheese production, water buffaloes play an essential role in promoting sustainable agriculture. Their presence is vital in maintaining ecological balance and fostering effective farming practices. Finally, let us engage in a dialogue, inviting you to subscribe and share your thoughts. By joining this conversation, we can cultivate a community dedicated to the welfare of animals and the compelling stories of agriculture.
As we've seen, raising water buffaloes and turning their milk into cheese is a delicate and rewarding process, one that requires skill, dedication, and a deep connection to tradition. It's a craft that not only produces high-quality cheese, but also supports sustainable farming practices. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful documentaries on farming and the incredible stories behind food production. Join us as we continue to explore the world of agriculture and craftsmanship.